the TikTok audio I'm talking about? With the die for you by the weekend? I'm stuck.
No.
Butter, go here.
Show me. It's 3 months into 2023 and I'm shooting my first video. I've been on a hiatus, taking a break, and it's just because creatively I've been just burned out. Now in 2023, we're gonna go for at least one video per month, and we're gonna have some cinematic shots, some mini movies. That's Jason talking, by the way. But today we're gonna be working on this 2020? No, the Lexus. We're gonna be working on a 2020 GSF, and we're doing things. So this right here is Jennifer's 2020 GSF. She's right there. You can't see. Oh, you're somewhere back there. But on this amazing thing, we've got, well, there's stacks of wheels back there. There's carbon. We're gonna put this bit of carbon down here. And then, you know what kind of exhaust you have on here? What? Isn't it? If we don't know, it might be an Apexi exhaust. It's a Apexi. More carbon. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna open this up. Well, it's opening up. The hood latch. I don't need. Oh, hey, we're struggling.
You got it.
Oh, okay, we're just gonna go back here now. It's titanium.
This real?
Yes, from the factory. Couldn't be you. So first thing you want to do is disconnect your battery.
They told me.
All right, first thing you want to do is pop these covers off right here. You just use a little flathead and it just comes right out. I can't see. I can't see. Ethan's having a.
Wait.
Ethan's having a.
Butter shit.
Hey, buddy. And there's also that same cap cover on the other side. All right, guys, we got the airbag off. Now there's a pin right there and right there. Now those two clips and a third one down there. Those clips have to be pushed in from left, right, and bottom. So this one right here needs to be pushed back, right, Anthony?
All three.
All right, cool. So you're just.
Or these two top two push in, and then this one slides over.
So you need to go over. Is it this hole right here? There's a hole over here somewhere. If I can
Go down.
This one right here.
Yeah.
Then you just go. If I can ever find it. Do this number right here. Then this one, you go from, I don't even know where that is at, because you did it.
Yeah, right there.
Look up, and then there's this tab right here, and you pull back, like that. And then this one, oh, how'd you do this one? Do the side, right?
You did that one on your side.
Oh, you just go right here and then pull up, and it comes right up. Then you disconnect your airbag sensors and then this ground wire for the horn. All right, so over here you have a 90mm nut, and before you do that, you have to take out these 3 connectors. So you're gonna use this and push down the tab and pull out. Same thing over here, if it'll go down. If it'll go down, it won't go down. I don't want to go down because it's an airbag. That comes out. And you leave the airbag connector in there because that will not come off. And then you just take a 19 mil wrench, pop it loose, run that back, and then beat it left and right. Or that was too easy. I really thought we were gonna need a puller, but just hit it a few times over here, here. Once you've loosened off the nut, make sure that your wheel's straight. Is it straight? Are the wheels straight?
Yeah. Like you.
Okay. And make sure it's at 12 o'clock position. If you need to, grab your screwdriver scribe. Just kind of roughly make a mark at 12 o'clock. And I know this is the old one. You're not going to reuse this. So, is there more connectors? Jeez. All right, what am I?
It's this one, whichever this one is. This modular one. The bottom. This one? Moving?
Mm-hmm.
What's that?
Oh, okay. Then there's this. Just gonna put that back roughly on. Break that loose. Kind of feed this through along with the airbag wires.
Don't move the clock spring.
Don't move the clock spring. Make sure it stays, this stays at 12 o'clock. And don't move that or you're gonna have to replace it.
What are you trying to do?
So now that Anthony's holding the steering wheel, what we're gonna do is take off all the screws. And take off all the screws and get the covers off along with the harness and any modules. There's a few more screws that are hiding back here, 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 and here as well. So I just got done checking on the car and found out, because there's no other videos on this, that this blue wire right here is the power wire for the horn. And then the second one, if you can see it, that red one is your power wire that goes to the headlight switch, meaning when you turn on your headlights, these switches right here, they illuminate. So with that, when you turn the headlights on, the LEDs on the steering wheel are going to turn on. So I'm about to solder it onto that red wire right there. Not this red and black over here, but the one directly off the connector. What you watching there?
Evo.
Evo things?
1,000 horsepower.
Ooh. We need you to get you at least just over 4,000 right now. That's for a different video. So we got everything together. You guys saw that in the time lapse. Oh, sorry, Butters. Hit you in the head. I'm so sorry. Oh. So we got everything put together. Put the trim pieces back together, all the screws. Pretty straightforward once you get that red wire in. Make sure you ground your black wire on this bolt right here. And then we just put a little bit of tape right here just for protection. And now we're gonna put this wheel in there. Now that we've got the steering wheel on and had the airbag wires pass through along with this control cable connector thing. We're gonna plug this into right here, plug these into our airbags. Make sure to get this connector along with this connector up into this little panel right here and get everything secured, and then we're going to put our 19mm bolt on here. Now that the nut's on, along with all the connectors over there and this one, we're going to put the airbag module on. Make sure to connect your ground for your horn along with the airbag connectors. Hey yo, what's going on there? You got a little something pink up on there. So just make sure to connect your airbag connectors to the according colors on there. Making sure everything's on, everything's all good, and now we're just going to connect our battery real quick. Grab your OBD2 port that comes with the kit and hook it up to your OBD2 port. Before you finish up, make sure to put your covers back on. Along with the other side. Got your OBD2 port down there. And now, once you have your headlights turned on, what you think?
Looks good.
Yay. Now we're just gonna kind of set the adjustments on here and go from there. We can't go any louder than this because it's midnight, bro. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys like it. I hope this brought some information to you guys and to everyone out here. Ethan's playing with the light. If you want more GSF videos, S2K videos, Accord Civic, Stancy Accord videos, Evo videos, building wheels, you're scared butted, bro. And a whole lot more, and including creative videos. Plan on doing some cinematic shots with S2Ks, RX-7s, Civics, and a whole lot more this year. If that's something you guys are interested in, please subscribe to the channel and come along with the journey. Thank you.